guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the rear cigarette lighter is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way you don't waste your money, guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. So that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So which fuse we need to check for the rear cigarette lighter, guys? We'll demonstrate first on 2015 Honda Odyssey. You have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to just open the fuse box that's on the front, on the passenger side. On the front you have 2 fuse boxes, one on the driver's side under the dash, one on the passenger side right here. You remove that panel on the kick panel right there, that plastic cover, and you're going to see a fuse box just like that one. This one will be the layout. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So this is, guys, the fuse box right here. So which fuse we need to check? You have that row of fuses on the bottom, that's fuse number 1 through 15. Then you have fuse number 16 through 28 right here. So if you come on the very left side to the right, okay, that fuse right here now, guys, okay, underneath it you have fuse number 14. You say number 14, that fuse right here. That's the second fuse from left to right. That's the fuse that you need to check for the rear cigarette lighter if it doesn't work. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.